persona non grata. Persona non grata can only be sanctioned by the Department of Foreign Affairs to a foreigner. It is a constitutional taboo when Philippine local government units declare persona non grata on a Filipino citizen. The provision in the 1987 Philippine Constitution that protects the right of Filipino citizens to travel anywhere in the Philippines is found in Article 3, Section 6 of the Bill of Rights. It states, "The liberty of abode and of changing the same within the limits prescribed by law shall not be impaired, except upon lawful order of the court. Neither shall the right to travel be impaired, except in the interest of national security, public safety, or public health, as may be provided by law." Explanation: liberty of abode. This guarantees Filipino citizens the right to choose and change their place of residence within the Philippines. Right to travel. This ensures the freedom to move freely within the country and abroad unless restricted for specific reasons. The right to travel can only be restricted under exceptional circumstances such as national security, example, during times of war or rebellion; public safety, for instance, to prevent harm or maintain order in emergencies; public health, example, during pandemics with lawful restrictions like quarantines. Any restriction must be based on a lawful order of the court or a law explicitly providing for such limitations, ensuring that curbs on this right are not arbitrary. Context and application. This provision applies to all Filipino citizens and protects their ability to travel freely within the Philippines without undue restrictions, except in cases explicitly justified by law. For example, during the COVID-19 pandemic, travel restrictions were imposed under public health laws, which were permissible under this constitutional provision as long as they complied with legal standards. The Supreme Court of the Philippines has upheld this right in various cases, emphasizing that any limitation must be narrowly tailored and justified by compelling reasons. The level of intelligence of the population in a particular LGU can be measured whenever their local government impose persona non grata to a fellow Filipino citizen. My name is John O'Donnell Petalcorin, a 51 years old Filipino citizen residing in Manila. I regularly post conflict preventive information that can be benefited by the government. Have a nice day.